Now that I got these wall sconces installed, I just want to walk through and show you up close the remote options. Pretty nice high quality film remotes. These are just really nice premium looking lights overall. You don't get all the colorful options and stuff, but you just get really nice light, heavy duty light. So let me just go ahead and show you. One remote can control both. You have your power button here. Hit power. They're super bright. Then I like that you have your pre-established sets on here. Right now they're at 100%, so you have a 10% button. Hit that. That puts it at 10% brightness. A 50% button, and then 100% there. So that's super nice to have. And then you also have kind of a unlimited dimmer type there. So you have your plus and minus on the remote here. So I'm pushing plus right now. They won't go up because last I hit was 100%. So push the minus and you'll see them both step dim downwards. So I like having that option. And then you also have your timers down here. So 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour timer buttons. And then of course off, on to control both of them. Put it back up to 100%. Hopefully that's not too bright for you. But yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show you the remote on there, how it works. Super happy with that.